Hello world. The game, the 1D dash one-dimensional game I made, finally got approved. So Apple does do app reviews on weekends. I submitted it for review around 11 a.m. yesterday, and then it got updated this morning, about, I don't know, an hour or two ago. So it takes a little longer on the weekends, or maybe the other two times I submitted it and then pushed out the update originally was just super speedy. But we'll keep track of it as we push out more updates and more games. But now, if you play that game, you'll see we not only have high score, but also daily high score. And I wasn't able to really test this, or at least I didn't figure out how, because the daily high score, the recurring score, so it resets every day, so you kind of have like daily high scores. I set it up in App Store Connect, and it wasn't active, but apparently you have to submit it to get it to be active. Anywho, I tested it this morning though, and it works. So if anyone wants to beat my high score of 26 today, then go for it. But yeah, that's all done, and I think I'm pretty much done with that game. And I was setting up this morning the App Store Connect page a little bit for Infinite 1-Bit Runner, which is going to be my next game. And it's going to be due hopefully February 1st. That's the goal. And I've already got a bit of the code there because I was already working on a two-dimensional game. So quite a bit is there. Though the title suggests infinite, I'm going to not have a level select page. I'm going to make it infinite. Endless runner, that's the word. So need to tweak a few things there. Also need to tweak a few things in my tile map code, because I don't have, I need to make it so I can say, okay, there's a corner tile or there's a wall tile, instead of everything just being the same. So I need to tweak a few things there. And then the game center code, I'm going to just take from what I've already done in the, one-dimensional game, because this pretty much has everything. I might add achievements, not sure what to add there, but that could be an addition. And let's see, what else? Yeah, I think it should go pretty smoothly, and I should be able to get it all going hopefully in the next week, and then get it submitted and everything approved. And maybe set it up as a pre-order page to see how that works. I've never done that before, because again, all this is just, experimentation. How does this work? Not only on like the development side, but also like on the App Store Connect side. Just trying to figure out how everything works so I can get hopefully fairly efficient at this, and then get things figured out so where I'm like, okay, I can do this, I can do that. Now knowing I can do these things, what can we build with that? What can we do? So yeah, January was one-dimensional game, February will be two-dimensional game, and I get this game done here hopefully in the next week. That'll give me more time to spend the last week and a few days of January and the whole month of February, which is a short month anyway, 28 days, to work on getting a three-dimensional game out in March. So 3 games in 3 months, and then hopefully again I'll be putting out games after that, but at least I'll have a one-dimensional game, a two-dimensional game, and a first-person 3D game that'll give me some stuff to, some good code to work with, so I can start thinking, okay, let's figure out new graphics and new game, and try to figure out new game mechanics and add a little bit of code here and tweak that. So that's the idea. Anywho, hopefully these little update videos are still informative. I don't know. I feel like I haven't been doing as much lately, and I might have to tweak around my schedule a little bit on certain things I'm doing, but yeah, hopefully things are going well. Let me know in the comments whatever you want to comment about. I don't know where I'm going with this, but anywho, that's the update, and I will update you all tomorrow.